Yesterday, lawyer Danstan Omari was in court cross-examining Abdiraham Jibril, an IPOA officer, about the investigations they have been conducting following the murder of Albert Ojwang. And in this video, I want us to look into 5 instances where the IPOA official failed to answer very simple questions to the extent that he ended up exposing the fabricated lies peddled by IPOA to protect Eliud Lagat. And without wasting time, let's get into it. Number 1. From basic law, a crime scene has to be secured to protect interference with investigations. The Central Police Station in Nairobi is the crime scene in the brutal murder of Albert Ojwang because IPOA has been pushing the fake narrative that Albert was tortured inside the police cell instead of Karura Forest. When asked who is in possession of the crime scene at Central Police Station and whether it is secured, Abdirahman, the IPOA official, could not say anything tangible. He instead resorted to just chewing his mouth.
You have said about the CCTV cameras. Do you have possession of the scene of crime as of now?
No.
Who is in possession of the scene of crime?
The scene of crime was processed and released. Remember, that's a police station. You cannot hold a station as a crime scene for a very long time. So we have released to the relevant authorities.
Is that on off? Because I was there yesterday. It's not true that the scene of crime has been released to the police.
Then
is it still a scene of crime, or it is non-operational police station?
That question is not. It's not in my affidavit.
You've run very fast.
Number 2. Central Police OCS Mr. Talaam is currently in custody, and one of the reasons the IPOA is giving for his detention is to allow the IPOA to record statements from other witnesses. But when lawyer Danstan Omari asked the IPOA official whether the OCS presence is required when obtaining statements from other witnesses, IPOA could not answer. He instead sat and answered his own questions.
You are now providing reasons as to why you want him to be detained for 21 days. True? From paragraph 23.
Yes, Your Honor.
What is the reason you want to detain him? In paragraph 23.
That we are yet to record critical witness statements.
Very well. Is his presence required physically when you are recording statements from other people?
His detention is required so he doesn't interfere with the witnesses.
About recording statement and interference are 2 things. Wakili,
I have responded to your question. The reason as to why I'm seeking that prayer is to have him detained so that he doesn't interfere with the witnesses.
Very well.
Number 3. When asked whether the detained OCS had shown any signs of interfering with the other witnesses whose statements are yet to be recorded, IPOA simply sang Abuju Buju.
Is there anything you have shown of any attempt to interfere with witnesses? Because Counsel, you know very well, the authorities, the Sagari, Duat Sagari, Cliff will ask you. The questions I'm asking is to prove, have you demonstrated by material you have earned it?
Nothing attached.
Thank you. Important stuff.
Number 4. The other reason that the IPOA is giving for their continual detention of Central Police OCS is that should he be released, his life would be in danger. But when lawyer Danstan Omari inquired as to whether there is proof that his life would be in danger or whether he can be a danger to anybody in the public, the IPOA official simply chewed his mouth.
For the benefit of doubt, you are saying you want to detain him on 2 limbs. One, for the safety of his life. True?
Yes.
Do you have anything to show that his life is in danger?
Nothing attached.
Do you have anything to show that he is a danger to anybody of the public?
Nothing attached.
So it is an apprehension.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. It is an apprehension.
Number 5. Lawyer Danstan Omari asked a very simple question to the IPOA official Abdirahman, and that was whether he is aware that it is the National Police Service that is mandated to provide security to everybody in this country. And Abdirahman decided to feign ignorance because had he agreed that he is aware, then he would be tasked with explaining the chapter in the Constitution that requires the police to protect life only by detaining people in police cells.
And you are very aware that the National Police Service is the one mandated to provide security for everybody in this country, including already convicted murderers. You are aware of that?
Not aware of it.
No. You will feign to be not understanding what I'm asking. I'm asking you this question. The duty to protect life and property falls under the police.
If you say so.
And this country is not a banana country where the rule of law has broken. So it is not right to say you are preserving his life in cell. And he pays taxes. Everybody pays taxes to be protected.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, the rest of the story is here. It is self-explanatory, and I need not to add more.
Confirm you have his phones.
His phone.
His phone, you have it.
Yes.
And you are seeking this court. Did you have the court order to possess that phone?
I don't need a court order to possess a phone.
Do you need a court order to get access to the phone?
Yes, I do.
Where is the provision that does not allow you to have authority to possess?
It's a seizure.
Yona, where is the provision that does not allow you? Surely.
Where is
You
the
are asking
provision?
for a provision which does not allow you. This is a negative provision, does not exist in our law. He should tell us the positive provision, and counsel can put it. He can continue putting it to him that this provision does not allow you, not the negative provision.
Maybe rephrase your question.
I'm rephrasing.
At the end of the day, guys, these are just but my thoughts. Do let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more informative content such as this. And in the event you're here for the first time, please check out my YouTube channel, and I guarantee you will be treated to a ton of recent content of this nature, of politics, policy, and governance issues in our country. I am committed to informing, educating, and entertaining in a manner that mainstream media cannot. Alright, guys, this is all that I had for you in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that in the event I upload another informative content such as this, you will be automatically notified by YouTube. Alright, this is all that I had for you in this video. Let us meet up in the video that's coming right after this.